Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into an important community resource, volunteer income tax assistance. I'm excited to share how volunteer income tax assistance works, the benefits it offers, and why it truly matters. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at the link below. Let's get started and explore how volunteer income tax assistance can make a real difference for individuals, families, and our communities. To begin, let's answer a basic but crucial question. What is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program? Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, a public service that provides free help with tax returns. This program is specifically designed for those who need it most, people with low incomes, individuals with disabilities, and taxpayers who may struggle with English. By offering expert guidance at no cost, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance empowers people to file their taxes correctly and confidently. Now that we understand what volunteer income tax assistance is, let's explore why getting involved with volunteer income tax assistance is so rewarding. Participating in volunteer income tax assistance isn't just about helping others. It's a unique opportunity to grow personally and professionally. First off, you develop invaluable skills. You'll gain a solid grasp of tax laws and regulations, which can be eye-opening even if you never thought taxes could be interesting. You'll also learn the ins and outs of tax preparation software, something that's useful for both career and everyday life. As a volunteer income tax assistance volunteer, you'll get better at explaining tricky tax topics in a clear, simple way, which builds your communication skills. And you'll strengthen your problem-solving skills, as every tax return is a different puzzle to solve. On top of these skills, volunteering with volunteer income tax assistance helps your professional growth. It's a credential that looks fantastic on a resume. You'll have the chance to meet other professionals, volunteers, and community leaders. Plus, you can earn IRS certifications, setting yourself apart in any field. But those aren't the only reasons why volunteer income tax assistance is worthwhile. Let's talk about the personal side next. Beyond building your resume, volunteer income tax assistance offers something even more meaningful, a chance to truly give back. When you volunteer, you play a vital role in uplifting your community. Through community service, you help those around you achieve greater financial well-being. You'll also gain empathy and understanding by seeing firsthand the challenges that low-income families face when it comes to their finances. Let's look next at how all of this comes together in the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program structure. To deliver quality tax help, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance has a well-organized training and role structure. Every volunteer starts with official IRS training to get certified in tax law. This training ensures accuracy and confidence, no matter your background. Volunteers can get certified at several levels, with more advanced training allowing you to handle more complicated tax situations. At each Volunteer Income Tax Assistance site, there are several possible roles. Greeters welcome taxpayers and check documents. Preparers actually fill out tax returns, quality reviewers double-check the details, and site coordinators keep things running smoothly. Understanding these roles shows how volunteer income tax assistance sites provide reliable, organized support for everyone who comes through the door. Now, let's talk about where and when volunteer income tax assistance operates. Most volunteer income tax assistance locations are set up in places that are easy to reach, like community centers, libraries, or schools, making sure the service is accessible to those who need it most. Most volunteer income tax assistance programs run during tax season, from January to April, though some sites offer services year-round to further support their communities. Next, let's break down what you can actually learn by volunteering with volunteer income tax assistance. Volunteering with volunteer income tax assistance is truly a learning experience. Here's what you'll gain. First, you'll develop a strong understanding of both federal and state tax rules, as well as the various credits and deductions taxpayers can claim. You'll also learn to use professional tax preparation software, building your tech skills with every tax return you handle. Importantly, you'll practice working directly with clients. You'll learn how to conduct interviews to get the information you need, and you'll discover why accurate record-keeping is so critical. All of these skills are practical, valuable, and transferable to many careers. Why does volunteer income tax assistance matter so much? There are a few compelling reasons. First, it's about accessibility. By offering free tax services, volunteer income tax assistance helps people who might not otherwise be able to afford professional help. There's also language support for those who aren't fluent in English. Second, there's accuracy and compliance. Volunteer income tax assistance volunteers are trained to catch and correct errors, ensuring tax returns are completed accurately. This not only means following the law, but it ensures clients get all of the credits and deductions they deserve. Third, volunteer income tax assistance has a real economic impact. Helping families claim refunds and credits can make a significant difference in their financial stability and adds disposable income into the local economy. Let's see who actually benefits from the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program next. Volunteer income tax assistance has a ripple effect that touches multiple groups. Taxpayers, especially low-income families, people with disabilities, and non-native English speakers, receive free, tailored assistance. Volunteers themselves benefit from gaining skills, experience, and the satisfaction of helping others. Communities as a whole get a boost. More refunds mean more spending locally, and increased awareness leads to better financial literacy for everyone. Finally, let's summarize why the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program is such a powerful force for good. In summary, being part of the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program is about more than taxes. It's a rewarding experience that combines skill building, professional development, and meaningful service. Volunteers get trained, certified, and equipped to provide life-changing support. In doing so, they help others, make connections, and expand their own horizons. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program demonstrates how structured training and diverse volunteer roles can lead to real, lasting impact, both for individual taxpayers and the wider community. Thank you for joining this walkthrough of the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. I encourage you to get involved, support your local volunteer income tax assistance site, or share this information with others who might benefit. Together, we can make a difference.